Welcome to the lecture on engineering statistics and linear algebra. So in this lecture also I'm going to discuss few more problems related to the expectation, covariance and correlations. Example number 4. If x and y are correlated random variables with a correlation coefficient of rho is equal to 0.6 and mean of x is given by 3, variance of x is equal to 49 and mean of y is given by 144, variance of y is given by 144. The random variables u and v are obtained using u is equal to x plus cy and v is equal to x minus cy. So these are nothing but the bivariate transformation what I am going to use here. So what values can c have if u and v are uncorrelated? So we'll see how to solve the problem now. So given the correlation coefficient between x and y is given by 0.6, mean of x is given by 3, mean of y is given by 144, variance of x is 49, variance of y is 144, the bivariate transformation, that is u is equal to x plus cy and v is equal to x minus cy. So now we have to estimate the value of the constant c. So we know that covariance of uv is given by expectation of u minus mu, v minus mv. So since we have the formula for u, that is x plus cy, v is equal to x minus cy. So we can easily estimate the mean of ux and mean of v. So like I can write u is equal to mu x plus c into mu y and mean of v is equal to mu x minus c into mu y. So now I'm going to incorporate these two, this u value and v value, this mu u value and mu v value in this equation. So I will be having the equation like covariance of uv is equal to expectation of x plus cy minus mu x minus c into mu y, x minus cy minus mu x plus c mu y. So on simplifying this by taking common factors and all, so I can take x minus mu x one time and c y minus mu y, and same thing here also x minus mu x minus of c y minus mu y. I can rewrite by taking common factors. So now covariance of uy can be written like, so this can be nothing but expectation of x minus mu x will be sigma x, c into expectation of y minus mu y will be sigma y, again same thing sigma x here minus c times of sigma y, I can write it. So I'm rewriting the equation as covariance of uv is equal to sigma x plus c sigma y into sigma x minus c sigma y. So this will be in the form of a plus b into a minus b formula. So I can write this one as sigma x square minus c square sigma y square, I can rewrite. So if covariance of uv will be equal to 0, that is if u and v are uncorrelated. So if I use a condition like u and v are uncorrelated, I must have the condition like covariance of uv is equal to 0. So if covariance of u is equal to 0, I can replace sigma x square minus sigma y square also will be equal to 0. So if this is 0, I can rewrite sigma c square sigma y square is equal to sigma x square, c square into sigma x square by sigma y square, c is equal to square root of sigma x square by sigma y square. Since we have the value of sigma x square and sigma y square as 49 and 144, I am going to replace the value here. So I will get c is equal to plus or minus square root of 49 by 144. So c will be equal to plus or minus 0.583 we will be having. Example number 5. The zero mean bivariate random variable x1 and x2 have the following variances. So variance of x1 is given by 2 here and variance of x2 is given by 4. Their correlation coefficient is given by 0.8. I mean rho of x1, x2 is given by 0.8 here. The random variables y1 and y2 are obtained from y1 is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2, y2 is equal to minus x1 plus 2x2. So these two are the bivariate transformation what I'm going to use here. So now I want to estimate the variance of these two bivariate transformations, that is variance of y1 and variance of y2 I need to estimate. Also I need to estimate the value of covariance of these two bivariate transformations, that is covariance of y1 and y2 I need to estimate here. So now let me see how to estimate the value. So given that variance of x1, that is sigma x1 square is 2, variance of x2 sigma x square is 4, correlation between x1 and x2 is given by 0.8. Since the given bivariate transformations are y1 is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2, y2 is given by minus x1 plus 2x2. So since from this one I can estimate the value of mean of this bivariate transformation, that is mu y1 is given by 3 mu x1 plus 4 mu x2, mean of that is mu y2 is given by minus mean of x1 plus 2 into mean of x2 I can rewrite. So now I'm going to estimate the value of variance of y1. So the variance of y1 is given by sigma y1 square, that is expectation of y1 minus mu y1 square. So just replace the value of y1 and mu y1 square here. So I will be having expectation of 3x1 plus 4x2 minus 3 mu x1 minus 4 mu x2 whole square. So expectation of 3 times of x1 minus mu x1 plus 4 times of x2 minus mu x2 whole square I can write it by taking common factors and all. I got this equation. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. On expanding this a plus b whole square, will be having 9 times of x1 minus mu x1 whole square plus 3 into 4 into 2 x1 minus mu x1 into x2 minus mu x2 plus 16 times of x2 minus mu x2 whole square. So on replacing the values of sigma x1 square, sigma x2 square and all, we can get a solution here. So I can replace x1 minus mu x1 as sigma x1, and that x1 minus mu x1 and x2 minus mu x2 as covariance of x1 and x2 with expectation, and expectation of x2 minus mu x2 will be equal to sigma x2 square I can rewrite. So on replacing the values of sigma x1 square, covariance of x1 x2 and sigma x2 square, I got the equation like 9 into 2 plus 24 into 2.26 plus 16 into 4. On simplifying this further, we'll be having 136.24. So this covariance value is obtained from this equation. So covariance of x1 x2 is given by rho correlation into sigma x sigma y. So on replacing the value further, I will get 0.8 into square root of 2 into 4. So on simplifying, we got covariance of x1 is 2.26. So I'm using this value here. So I got the value 136.24. So similarly, I'm going to estimate variance of y2. So same like variance of y1, we can estimate the value of variance of y2 also. The formula will be sigma y square is equal to expectation of y2 minus mean of y2. On replacing the value of y2 and mean of y2, the equation will be expectation of minus x1 plus 2x2 plus mu x1 minus 2 mu x2 whole square. So on grouping all by taking common factors and all, I got the equation like mu x1 minus x1 whole square plus 2x2 minus mu x2 whole square. By expanding this by using a plus b whole square formula, I will be having the equation like mu x1 minus x1 whole square plus 4 times of mu x1 minus x1, x2 minus mu x2 plus 4 times of x2 minus mu x2 whole square I can rewrite. So on simplifying further, expectation of this will be sigma x1 square, this will be covariance of x1 x2, and this will be sigma x2 square I can rewrite. On replacing the values of sigma x1 square, covariance of x1 x2 and sigma x2 square, the value will be having 8.96 for the variance of y2. So similarly, I can estimate the value of covariance of y1 and y2. The formula will be expectation of y1 minus mu y1, y2 minus mu y2. On replacing the values of y1 and mu y1, y2 and mu y2, and simplifying the equation, we'll be having the equation like 3 times of sigma x1 plus 4 times of sigma x2, sigma x1 plus 2 times of sigma x2. On replacing the values of sigma x1, sigma x2, we can have the solution like 30.524.